Hey, welcome back to Melinda's
and Ray's
Messy Sink. Oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot even believe it. I have the biggest thank you for you guys that I can possibly imagine. Our last week's video, as of the time that we're filming, which is Sunday night around midnight, my husband just came in, which is why he's
nasty.
He's not nasty.
Dirty.
He's maybe a little dusty. So, that video has 11,346 views.
Thank you.
I can't even believe it. I cannot even believe it.
It's crazy.
We've had 369 new people join our YouTube family.
Thank you and welcome.
We've had 932 likes on that video and 267 comments. Oh my gosh, you guys, reading all those comments was absolutely amazing. And just a quick reminder, there were a lot of people in the comments that told us they were just starting their journey, or maybe they'd been in a couple months and, they kind of just gave us a little bit of their story. Don't forget to check back in and let us know how you're doing. We're going to let you know how we're doing, and we want to hear from you how you're doing as well.
Or if there's something we can do for you, let us know.
Yeah, we're still learning a lot too, but we're happy to share, or any resources that we find out about, to share those with you as well. We're going to do this, and we're all going to do it together. As a reminder, we're not weighing or doing measurements this week. We are waiting. We're doing the No Weigh May. So our next weight video will be in the beginning of June. So we'll combine our weight and our inches for hopefully amazing results.
Yes, ma'am.
So babe, how's your week?
Week was good. I feel a lot better, a lot more energy, regular bowel movements, and just overall feel so much better.
Good. How's your appetite been?
Appetite is there. It's back. So, some struggles, but some good things.
Okay. Good.
You?
So my week, overall, we're kind of having a yucky week, right? So I'm one of those people that fights tooth and nail to turn the air conditioner on, because I already paid Duke Energy so much money. Don't even get me started on that topic. So I always wait to turn it on. And it finally got warm enough this weekend, and the humidity's starting to come back here in Indiana. So I turned the air conditioner on, and it don't work, y'all. It don't work. So that was a little bit annoying. But other than that, I did have a couple things that from this week wanted to share. I can't remember what day it was. It was either Wednesday or Thursday. My blood sugar dropped really bad. And what was the most scary thing to me, because normally I handle it really well, I'm used to it, I know it's coming. I was on a video call for work, and once that got done, I was like, okay, so I need to go and find something to eat. And I think I fasted a little bit too long, and I don't have any sugar in our house. There's no juice, there's no candy, there's nothing that would instantly raise my sugar back up.
No sugar.
Yeah, so all of our stuff that we have is all sugar-free, or, condiments and things like that. So I did have a little bit of just regular white sugar, and I did take a teaspoon and put that sugar under my tongue to bring my blood sugar back up. So that was a little scary. So I know now I need to watch how long I'm fasting. I don't really have that much of an appetite, and so I really can go a long period of time without eating for sure.
As long as I get a good breakfast and a good start, then I'm good for the rest of the day.
Right.
I can go a long time without eating, just going on water and surviving on water, so it's a good thing.
Yeah, and protein first thing in the morning, like, is so important for anybody that's starting out. That's one of the tricks that we have figured out that sets us up for success is protein first thing in the morning, that includes a really good breakfast. So bacon, sausage, steak, eggs, whatever your protein choice is, just make sure that you have a really hearty breakfast.
I felt like if I got a good breakfast with some bacon, I could burn it off through the day, and it was keeping me satisfied and full all day long.
We're still doing our electrolytes too. So if you're having any headaches or if you're having any leg cramps, anything like that, what works for us is the electrolytes.
Yes.
So I started doing some more exercise. Not some more. I started to exercise is the better definition. I've been we have I don't know how long our driveway is, the size of a football field.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Close.
And so I've been taking Abe on a walk back and forth a few times during the day to get more steps in. I sit at a desk all day, and so it's really hard for me to get steps in all throughout the day. I've been taking advantage of this nice weather and trying to get more steps in. I thought that pretty soon I would go out to the park and start doing some walks around the park just for a change of scenery. But my goal over the next week is to continue to get more steps in. How's your energy?
My energy level is high, so it's a good thing.
Good.
A lot more want to do things instead of sit on the couch and take a nap. It's I'm up and doing things.
I can definitely tell that Ray's insurance, y'all, all weekend long. I don't know what is wrong with me, but I cannot talk. But I can definitely tell that Ray's energy level has increased. Like all day Friday and all day Saturday, we were super busy and we got so much stuff done. On Saturday, I was like, can you believe we've done everything we've done and it's only 11 o'clock in the morning? So sleep is still going really well and we're getting up and we're ready to go.
It's a solid sleep through the night now, so
Good.
it's a really good feeling.
Good. One other exciting thing, we did buy our Ketopalooza tickets that we were talking about in the last video. We did get those purchased, and as a reminder, that is in October, and that's in Louisville. So I don't know what the cap is on the tickets they're going to sell, but if you're interested in going, I will put that link in my description box again, like I did last week.
Looking forward to that.
Yeah. All right, so wanted to kind of pick your brain a little bit. I know just from the comments that you guys really love our positive energy. I know that you guys like how motivating we are just because we keep it real and tell you what we want. Tell you what we're going through. I don't know why I cannot talk, but it's happening through this whole video. So wanted to find out from you, would you guys like to see some different kinds of content? Maybe what we're eating in a day, or like grocery hauls, like what we're buying for food in the house. I do need to caution you though, we've got a lot of stock of meat in our freezers, so I'd be happy to do a freezer tour so you can see how we have all of our meat laid out. But I don't buy a lot from the store, at least right now, but we do need like water and things like that. And then, would you like to go exercising with us? Just trying to think of some fun things to do to show you more of what our life is like throughout the week, instead of just coming on and saying we lost, we gained, the basics. We want to invite you into our lives because you are helping us be so accountable already. We would just love to show different aspects of our life. Anything that we can do to make things better for you and to prove to you if we can do it, you can do it too. We are 100% all about it.
I got a trip next week to play golf, so looking forward to that.
Yeah, he'll come back all sunburnt and
all
sore.
out and sore.
So Ray's going to get a lot of exercise next week when he goes on his trip. So that's really good, babe. And he's got lots of meals planned that will keep him on our lifestyle so that he doesn't have to adjust to coming back. So we're really excited about that. But I just want to share with you, for anybody who's sitting out there, we are two everyday people. We work full time. We are empty nesters. Our son is out of the house. And if we can do this lifestyle, you guys can do it too. If you want to try it, don't wait around. I'm telling you, just make your next meal whatever plan that you want to be on. There's so much of a spectrum between carnivore, ketovore, keto. Do your research and figure out what's best for you and just start. Who cares if it's bumpy in the beginning? Just start, because I tell you, like, it's making such a difference in our lives, and we're nowhere near our goal yet.
Right. And once you get started, just push through, and then it gets easier. It gets easier and easier. The meals change. It changes your life.
Yeah, like, I mean, I just can't, we cannot say that enough. And I can't even imagine what our lives are going to be like whenever we weigh our goal weight, because we're going to do it.
I'm looking forward to that day.
Yeah, this is the first diet that we've ever, our lifestyle change, because it's not really a diet, it will be a lifestyle for us. This is the first lifestyle change that we've ever made and been able to just stay with it. Just stick with it. No matter the problem, no matter how unmotivated we get, we're still able to persevere. If we can do it, so can you. Y'all.
Crazy Cat, what are you doing? We're trying to film a video.
My cat's singing to us. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but she really likes the garage. She killed a bug, so now she wants to go out there. But we don't want to gab. We just want to spend some time to motivate you and to cheer you on, because seriously, if we can do it, you can do it too. I just know it. So don't forget to let me know in the comments below what kind of content that you'd like to see from us other than our updates and what our weight is, those kinds of things. We're happy to share whatever it is. So thank you so much, Ray, for sharing how your week's been. Y'all pray for us that we don't need a new air conditioner. No joking. Like, I don't want to shell out money for a new air conditioner.
It's 76 in here at midnight, so it's a little warm.
But we'll keep you posted on our air conditioner. You keep us posted on how you're doing. And don't forget to leave us a sweet comment or a comment. It doesn't have to be sweet. But we just want to hear from you and how you're doing this week.
Thanks again, everyone. We appreciate it.
Yeah. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. We'll see you in the next one.